Myself, Mami from class 6. Today is my science model presentation on topic aquatic food chain, which is directed by my most respected Mrs. Sabai Idrisi ma'am and represented by me. You can see my model. First of all, let me know what is an aquatic food chain. An aquatic food chain shows how living organisms in water depend on each other for food and energy. Aquatic food chain starts with aquatic plants. Starts with producer like aquatic plant. They make their own food using sunlight. Next are primary consumer like small fishes. They eat the aquatic plants and algae. Then comes the secondary consumer like medium-sized fishes and crabs. They eat the small fishes. At the top of the food chain, there are tertiary consumer like big fishes and shark. They are the top predators in water. Aquatic food chain helps to maintain balance in aquatic life. If one part is disturbed, the whole food chain gets affected. So we should keep our water bodies clean and protect aquatic life. Thank you.